Welcome to episode number 3 of our LiveKit series. By the way, I have not planned this video on this series because recently I'm testing the real-time AI video, like real-time AI avatar with our voice agent. That's why I have tested and just I think I should share with you all this stuff. Yeah, it may going to helpful to you if you have any project that you want to do, build AI real-time avatar that can talk like live in meetings or in on your website. That's going to be crazy. To be honest, actually, I got the inquiry of this project. There is a healthcare company. They want AI real-time AI avatar for their own website. For that purpose, I did some research and I got something crazy. But that's one of the platforms simply we are going to use. Yeah, if you don't know who I am and what the stuff I'm doing, I'm Vijay. I'm founder of Time. We help businesses to implement AI in their business, from building AI agents to LLM applications, from all that stuff we are do. Yeah, that's the thing we are doing. I know a lot of people getting lot too much value from these videos, and a lot of people commenting that create more such videos like that. Let's start this video. We are going to use Simli with our live kit, and before that, just try a demo how it looks and feel, and we also going to build our ones. Let this test once.
Hi babe, I'm Tiffany. And I'm like literally obsessed with trying this AI thing. My followers are going to be so jealous when they see this content. Wait, you can see how gorgeous I look right now? Because I literally
You are looking too gorgeous. How? What's your name? What's your name?
OMG, like, hi. It's Tiffany, obviously. I'm literally the girl everyone dreams of being. I'm just
Yeah, that's the demo. Don't worry. We are going to build same demo using LiveKit, and you can deploy this demo in your website. You can also sell this demo to other businesses. Let's get started. Okay, I have already created a code or written a code for this, and you just require to copy and paste. To be honest, I will also get this template from other, like from GitHub. Then I've just tested and it will work. Yeah, there are mainly three uh, like this is main our live quit agent code. Here you can see that all the stuff, and I'm not going to explain this stuff from basics. If you don't know anything, I would recommend just go and please check out from episode number 1. Yeah, that will help you and understand from all the stuff and set up the thing. We have also our .env file that I'm not going to open because all the APIs are listed there. Yeah, your task is to also add the Simli API key there. Next is dispatcher.py. This has some code like avatar code, like how it will work and all that stuff. Don't worry if you don't know anything, just go to ChatGPT, copy the code, paste it, and ask to explain the code, and ChatGPT will explain you in detail. And the nothing like simply avatar. Here's some avatar description, all that stuff, how it will be going to be work. Still go on ChatGPT, paste this code, and I don't recommend you, but that yeah, use this template and don't worry about this code. Okay. If you want to change anything, you can also ask to our Windsurf agent. Right now I'm using in Windsurf. If you're using cursor, yeah, you can also ask to cursor agent what is this stuff. The next important thing is our requirement not txt. Okay, here I'm also testing Hedra. Okay, I'm going to create separate video with Hedra. Hedra is also providing same real-time AI avatar. I have tested lot of, like I am exploring lot of which are similar tools like Simly, Hedra, and I'm also going to create separate video comparison video. In that, actually, I have given my 6 hours or 6 or 8 hours study. I literally did everything. In that video, I will give all this information like what are the models available, how you can use that, what are the pricing. Yeah. If you want, please comment. If you want this video, please comment. Uh, like I want like comparison video. I will definitely create that comparison video. That's the thing. Let's run our agent. There is a two important thing. First, just go over okay, our Simly and just log in on yeah. I'm right now continuing with Google. Okay, first for API keys, go here and just copy API key and just go and add in your .env file. Let me show you once. Yeah, please don't copy this API keys. Okay, I'm trying to hide in editing, but yeah, okay. Yes, you see, you want to require your Assembly API key and Face ID. Don't worry, I'm going to delete all these API keys after this. Yeah, but this is API keys you want to require to add Simply API keys and Simply Face ID. How do you get your Face ID? Just go on your avatars and just copy this Face ID. You also create your own create avatar. Okay, Yeah, yes, you can also do create your own self avatar. And the most interesting part, okay, I want to tell like what's the plan. Yeah, Simli is one of the most cost effective solutions I got in AI avatar. It just charge like 1 cent a minute. Yeah, that costing is too literally too cheap and too cost effective. I tested other like I check other similar product. Yeah, that has that has like 5 cent. It has also minimum 10 cent, 20 cent per minute. That has immense level of costing other competitor are offering. Yeah, if you want to some cheaper solution, this one is the best for you. Then for okay to run, just I have added all the stuff like how you want to do. Like just go in our to run this. You can also read all this readme.md file here. All you will get guidelines how to run this code. Yeah, first we require to activate our environment. I have already created environment. When you run your first site, first please create environment. If you don't know, just go on YouTube, search how to get Python environment. You will get all the stuff. And also you can, if you didn't watch my first episode, I have also taught all that stuff from basic in my first LiveKit episode. Please go and check out that as well. Right now I'm just activating this stuff. Yeah, I have activated. The next is to add our commands. Okay, I'm just simply copy and pasting here. Yeah, I want to just go open a new terminal. In that, also activate here our and enter this first command. Okay, Python dispatcher.py and port. Okay, the next task is to go in our playground, LiveKit playground, and test out our agent. Our there is name is YouTube. It will get connected. Just what's the of half an hour. Yeah, it will take some time. Just give.
Sounds like there's a plan in motion. Waiting can be tough, but it often leads to something good. How can I assist you while you're in the queue?
Hey, hi, how are you? What's your name?
Hey there. I'm Tasha and I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Hey, I'm great, buddy, and thank you for here and guiding me about the product.
I'm glad to hear you're great. I'd be happy to guide you about the product. What would you like to know?
That our huh, agent that can talk with us. Yeah, it's some crazy stuff is happening. Okay, it has some crazy stuff happening. Just follow this step, whatever I told. Just build it your and try once.